When we say relationships are very important in a nonprofit, we're not talking about just how you interact and talk with each of the donors and the volunteers. You also want to track how these donors and volunteers are related to each other, so the relationship between them. So we have Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and we have Baby Mouse. So we can go ahead and click on Baby Mouse, and let's look at relationships. We're going to do a new relationship. So Mickey or Baby Mouse is related to Minnie. It's current, and it's a family member, but we could also say this is the son. Sorry, not the son. Minnie is the mother. So that when we say save, he's going to say Mrs. Minnie Mouse is Baby Mouse's mother. We could also open up Minnie Mouse and do a new relationship on Minnie Mouse and add Mickey, current, and say Mr. Mickey is Mrs. Minnie Mouse's wife. Well, that is not correct. So you can always click back on it. Edit the relationship and change to the correct one. So now Mr. Mickey Mouse is Mrs. Minnie Mouse's husband. These relationships also can be customized. So if you want different types of relationships, you can also track those. So just talk with your Salesforce administrator so that they can customize that list. And then the other thing to note is once you create a relationship, it also automatically creates a reciprocal relationship. So if I go back and I pull up Minnie Mouse and I look at her relationships, it'll again show Baby Mouse is Minnie's child, Mr. is the husband. So you don't have to do that. Salesforce will automatically do that in the background. And you can also have these relationships be gender neutral. So again, if that's something that your organization wants to do, you can go ahead and play around with that. You also have the ability to delete relationships. So say, Mr. Mickey and Mrs. Minnie get a divorce, you can go ahead and delete it, and that way it will delete the relationship on both of their accounts as well.